perform empathic approach to test and the software efficiency, how we are going to perform it. So we are going to see in this. So using design thinking, we can rectify the problem statements and we can identify the problems from the user experience. After that, we can analyze the 5 stages, empathize, define, ideate, prototype and test. Using these solutions, we are need to upload the needs and technical feasibility and this user business goals. Here, using design thinking, how we are going to perform the testing and how it is going to focus on the real user experience. Using the technical specs, we can go along with the user experience. And the second one, using the end users, high load situations, we can encourage it. And third one, we can going to creatively perform the bottlenecks of helps of the person. And the fourth one, improving the testing using the metrics and the supports. And here we are going to see about the performing testing, how it's going on. First one, it is loading testing. Second one, test. Third one, spike, fourth soak, and fifth one is volume. And next one, empathize state, how we are going to empathize problem, performance testing problem. First one, goal, understand how the user interact with the system under the stress, what are the problem they are facing it. And second one, action, what are the interviews are taken from the end users about their frustration, example the low crashing or low processing works. And second one, real time usage of pattern and peak times. At the peak times, how it is going on, what are the problems they are facing, we need to go along with that. And the outcome and the user points, user pain points, we are going to analyze. We are giving a concurrent usage. And the next one is define stage. Here we are going to state clearly the performance goals and challenges, and we are going to give the response time and scalability time throughout the entire work. And the next one is performance is a benchmark based on the user needs. And here they help the test plans aligns with the business and also the requirements of the performance testing. And the next one, it is next one, it is Ideate. Here we are going to see about the multiple ways how the test has been performed and how it is loaded, improvement, and how the brainstorm work case scenarios are going on. Here we are going to use the different types of tools using the environmental testing, and we can encourage and innovate different parts of planning here. Here prototype. The prototype is the performance of the test, and here we are going to see about the JMeter, load runners to simulate the scenarios and the problems, and test scripts replicate the real user behaviors. And the last one is performance, how the full scale implement is going on. And the last one is test stage. Here we are going to do the test performance, how it is going on working, and gathering the data, improving the data, and we are going to perform the reports and logs to the user pain points, and how the bottlenecks found and the optimized AP queries and everything. And last thing, we are going to gather feedbacks from this performance, how it is working on. Performance testing, we have different types of testing, and in this testing we are going to see about the environment and performance criteria, plan and design how to do, and testing environment we are going to do, and how it is configuring and implementing the testing and run rate and how it is running rate and analyzing the usage of user points and retest. And real life example is if a student is an exam online during the peak traffic. Okay, at the time what it has been happen, slow page loads will be there, disconnection will be there. These are the two pain points from the student point. And here we are going to set a support for high-ended students, that is 3 years response time greater than 3 years response time. And in Ideate we are going to plan a login time, submission time and result time and underloading time. And the final one, the prototype, we are going to test how the scenario is going on, how the mock test is going on with the JMeter. And the last one, the stress test and server memory limits. It will be delay networks, everything has been here. The result is improved server scaling and waiting for the result and exam time failure, reducing the exam time failures are the main real time example for this. And thank you all. This is a performance testing based using the DT team and DT based study. Thank you.